The word annual is powerful because it talks about things that happen exactly once every year. It helps you plan and understand time better. Annual means something happens once every year. It is used to describe events or actions that come around yearly. A common mistake is to use annual for things that happen more often, like monthly or weekly events. Remember, annual is only for once a year. Annual is often used with words like meeting, report, event, and festival. For example, annual meeting, annual report, or annual festival. The company holds an annual meeting every July. We receive an annual report about our progress. Our town has an annual festival in summer. She buys an annual pass for the museum. Every year, Anna waits excitedly for the annual flower festival. It happens only once a year, so she marks the date on her calendar and never misses it. Think of the word annual like a calendar page that flips once a year. And sounds like year in some languages, helping you remember it means yearly. Now you know annual means once a year. Try using it in sentences and notice annual events around you. See you next time.